Doesn't this look like a cute little baby Apple Watch? It isn't. It's actually Huawei's fitness tracker called the Huawei Watch Fit. Huawei is clearly going after the likes of Fitbit and Garmin with the Watch Fit, but it has a few advantages by offering an AMOLED display in a slim design and a 10-day battery life, all at a lower price. Hey everyone, this is Abbas from TechRadar, and we are looking at the Huawei Watch Fit today. The Watch Fit is made of a smooth metal frame, which along with the curved glass gives it a polished and premium look. It comes in three colors: Sakura Pink, Graphite Black, and this Mint Green. You can't swap the straps, which is a bit of a shame. There's a tall 1.64-inch AMOLED screen that is bright and crisp with small bezels. It's a display you'd expect to find on much more pricier watches. The tall aspect ratio is a great design choice and keeps the watch slim while displaying a good amount of information on the screen. The Watch Fit is also super slim at just 10.7mm, and with a weight of 21 grams, you'll barely feel it on your wrists. The sensors are housed at the bottom, which has a smooth matte plastic finish that's easy to wipe off. It's also water resistant and can survive a pool trip of up to 50 meters. The Watch Fit is powered by Huawei's Light OS, which also powered their previous watch GT2, so if you've used that, you'll feel right at home with the Watch Fit. There's just one flat button tapered on the right side which wakes the screen up, and you can swipe through numerous stats such as your heart rate, your stress activity, SpO2, weather, music player, and an activity dashboard that's similar to the activity rings on the Apple Watch. Pressing the button again brings up a list of apps like workouts, sleep tracking, breathing exercises, alarms, timers, and so on. While on the home screen, you can swipe up from the bottom edge to bring up notifications. Swiping from the top brings up quick settings where you can toggle Do Not Disturb, or see the battery and Bluetooth indicators, or pull up a lean settings menu. The Watch Fit's key selling point is the vast and versatile tracking. Featuring 96 workout modes, it can track anything from conventional forms of exercise like walking, running, cycling, and swimming, to some rather unconventional ones such as belly dancing and dart throwing. It can also monitor heart rate in real time and shows your target heart rate zone during exercising to keep you motivated to stay in the ideal range. It's not the most accurate heart rate sensor on a fitness watch, showing slightly higher rates compared to a polar chest strap monitor, but you'll get a general picture of where your heart rate is during workouts. Aside from the 90+ workout modes on the Watch Fit, there are 12 fitness courses accompanied by animations to guide you through each step of a workout. Each of these exercises comes with a brief explanation, and they're around 20 minutes or less, making them easy to squeeze into your day. The Watch Fit also lets you monitor your sleep quality as well as blood oxygen levels, a feature we haven't seen on a fitness brand at this price. Battery life is a strong point for the Huawei Watch Fit. The 10-day claim Huawei advertises holds up with light usage, such as a couple of workouts and continuous heart rate monitoring. However, with the GPS enabled and a more demanding use, we still got 5 to 6 days out of it, which is longer than what you'd get out of other fitness bands. The Watch Fit uses a proprietary 2-pin magnetic charging cradle that charges its 180 mAh battery in approximately an hour and a half. There are no cutting-edge features or detailed analytics on the Watch Fit, but that's not the market Huawei is trying to address. At just $110 or 400 dirhams, the Watch Fit is a very viable alternative to more expensive fitness watches and a great companion for beginners who are looking for something inexpensive to measure their fitness. And the fact that it looks good is bonus. This is Abbas signing out. Stay tuned to TechRadar for everything in the world of tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay notified of all our new videos.